One of the very first questions you learn to make conversation in German is wie geht's or wie geht's dir? How are you? And one of the most common mistakes learners make is responding with ich bin gut, which translates to I'm good. At first glance, that might sound totally fine, right? I mean, that's what we say in English. But nope, in German it doesn't work if you're talking about how you're feeling. Honestly, I can't even tell you how many times I've corrected my students on this, like I've totally lost count. So don't feel bad about it if you've been saying it too. We're just going to fix it today once and for all. In this video, I'll break it down step by step, explain why ich bin gut doesn't fit here, and give you some easy, natural alternatives so you can sound more authentic in your conversations. And if you're new here, hallo und herzlich willkommen. So nice to have you here. Ich heiße Salome and I'm a German native speaker and teacher. And on this channel, I teach practical German for daily life, specifically for beginners. That's also what I focus on inside my program, the German Fluency Academy, where I help total beginners go from zero knowledge to confident and conversational. If that sounds like exactly what you want and need, the best place to start is with my free beginner workshop. You'll find the link in the description box below, and I would love to see you there. All right, let's dive in. Why ich bin gut is wrong here. So you're asked, wie geht's? Many English speakers want to reply with ich bin gut because, well, in English we say I'm good. That makes sense. But here is the problem. In German, gut sein, so to be good, is about being a good person, and it's not about your well-being. So if you say ich bin gut, it literally means I'm a good human being, which, hey, is good for you if that's true, but that's not really what the other person asked. The natural way to answer wie geht's is with the verb gehen, to go, because the question literally means how is it going for you? So your response should mirror that. Mir geht's gut. It's going well for me. Or if you're doing very well, you can say mir geht's sehr gut. If you're not doing so well, you would say mir geht's nicht so gut. So notice the structure. Mir geht's and not ich bin, because the direct translation is actually it's going blank for me. But let's be real, life isn't always just good or not good. Sometimes you want to add a little flavor. So here are some natural variations you can use. If you're feeling fantastic, you can say mir geht's hervorragend. If you're just okay, you say mir geht's okay. If you feel bad or sick, you would say mir geht's schlecht. If you want to say it could be better, a super classic German response is ich kann mich nicht beklagen. I can't complain. It doesn't get any more German than that. And here is my quick pro tip, mir versus ich bin. We use mir when we're describing how the outside world or situation is making us feel. A few other examples are mir ist kalt. It's cold to me when I want to express that I feel cold. Or mir ist heiß. Or mir ist langweilig. But when you're talking about a state of being that's about you directly, then you would use ich bin. For example, ich bin krank. Ich bin müde. Ich bin beschäftigt. So here is the rule of thumb. You use mir when something's happening to you from the outside environment, and you use ich bin when you're stating something about yourself. This tiny shift makes your German sound way more natural, and honestly, it can clear up and prevent a lot of misunderstandings. And hey, don't forget, conversation is a two-way street, so keep it flowing by asking back. Und wie geht's dir? Und wie geht's dir? Or just keep it short and sweet by saying und dir? Und dir? I hope you have found this quick and practical lesson helpful, and moving forward you know exactly what to say when someone asks Wie geht's dir? And if you want to keep learning more practical German, I've put together a free guide with 100 useful phrases for daily life. It's full of expressions you can start using right away, and I'll leave the link for you in the description box. As always, keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, have fun with your German. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!